What if you could describe a website or app in one sentence, and Figma could actually build the first version for you? That's no longer just a futuristic idea. Figma now has AI for generating designs, editing them, creating prototypes, and even turning ideas into functional web apps. But is Figma AI actually useful? Or is it just another AI design gimmick? Let's test it. Figma AI isn't just one feature. It's an entire collection of AI tools inside Figma. You have the Figma agent, first draft, Figma Make, AI image editing, layer renaming, content generation, interactions, and more. The agent is currently in beta and can generate designs, make edits, give feedback, and automate repetitive work. Figma Help Center. Let's start with first draft. I open Figma Design, go to Actions, select First Draft, and give it a prompt. Create a modern landing page for an AI video generation startup with a hero section, pricing, features, testimonials, and a strong call to action. And Figma generates an editable design instead of giving me a flat image. I can then choose different visual directions and ask AI to make changes. Figma says, First Draft works especially well for common website and mobile app patterns. Figma Help Center. But this is where things get much more interesting. Figma Make lets you go from a prompt or existing Figma design to a functional prototype or web app. So instead of just saying, make the screen look better, I can say, turn this design into a responsive AI video dashboard with a working upload button, navigation, pricing page, and dark mode. Figma Make can then generate an interactive experience that I can preview and continue refining through conversation. Figma Help Center. And as of July 2026, GPT 5.6 is also available inside Figma Make, giving users another model option for building these experiences. Figma. There are also smaller features that save a surprising amount of time. AI can rename layers, replace placeholder content, add interactions, search for assets, vectorize images, and edit images. You can even use web search through the Figma Design Agent to bring live information into your designs. Figma Help Center. Here's the catch. Figma has a free starter plan, and every seat gets AI credits. Starter users currently receive 500 credits per month, while professional full seats receive 3,000. Some advanced AI features can require paid plans or specific seat types. Figma Help Center. An AI-generated designs still need human cleanup.